Welcome to this tutorial on setting up a basic database on Azure SQL. In just a few steps, you'll learn how to create a cloud-hosted database and take advantage of Azure's scalable and reliable infrastructure. Let's get started. Before we begin, here's what you'll need. First, an active Azure subscription. If you don't have one, you can sign up for a free trial on the Azure website. Second, some basic knowledge of Azure, like creating resource groups and navigating the Azure portal, will be helpful. Now, let's dive into the process. Log in to the Azure portal, visit azure.microsoft.com, and log in with your Azure credentials. Once inside, you're ready to start creating resources. In the Azure portal search bar, type Resource Group and select Create. Provide a unique name for your resource group, like MySQL Database RG. Choose a region to host your database, for example, East US. Finally, click Create. Your resource group is now ready to hold all related resources for your database. Now you can create an Azure SQL server. In the search bar, type SQL Server and select. You may now click Create to begin the database creation process. Choose the resource group you just created. Pick a unique name for your server, such as my server. Choose a region to host your database. Choose a compute size that matches your needs. For instance, standard is a good starting point. Set up an administrator login and password. Keep these credentials secure. Once done, click Create. In a few moments, your SQL server will be ready. Your SQL Server instance is currently being deployed. This process may take a few moments to complete. Navigate to your newly created SQL Server in the Azure portal. Under the Databases section, click Add New Database. Give your database a unique name, like My Database. When everything looks good, click Create. To begin interacting with your data, establish a connection to your database using tools such as SQL Server Management Studio or Azure Data Studio. Your database is now set up and ready to use. You can also use network security groups in Azure Key Vault to keep your data safe. Setting up a basic database on Azure SQL Database is simple and efficient. By following these steps, you're now equipped to leverage Azure's powerful cloud infrastructure. Thank you for watching, and happy database building.